Are your Windows apps broken by the Sbavmon.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. Before we start the detailed troubleshooting for Sbavmon module, you can try the official utility to assist with system-level review. This DLL file is a Creative Labs audio monitoring library. It runs in the background to track audio hardware status and manage volume controls for Sound Blaster cards, providing a dedicated interface for audio tasks. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. The Sbavmon module DLL is required for Creative Sound Driver to function properly. Downloading and reinstalling the current official version of Creative Sound Driver will repair missing or broken application files. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with the Sbavmon module. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Avoid the trap of free file repositories for the Sbavmon module DLL, as these platforms are frequently used to spread persistent browser hijackers and adware. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. Resolve library inconsistencies and review system architecture using the reference below for information related to the Sbavmon module environment. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved the Sbavmon module error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.